Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to make taskbar transparent Windows 11. So let's get started. For that reason you need a software. To install the software, what you need to do, you need to search for Microsoft Store on your PC or laptop. Just search for the Microsoft Store and go to the Microsoft Store. Alright, you need to search for Translucent TV. So let's search for Translucent TV. Alright, then search for it. Then as you can see, here is the application. Just ready and simple process. Download this application, and just after downloading the application you need to just open it, and boom, you have done it. So that's the easiest way to make the transparent in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So thank you so much guys for watching.